guys, welcome back to Smart Trader. This is Diaspora and thank you so much for all your likes, comment, share and subscribe my channel. And if you're a new viewer, then go to our channel, watch all these videos, live trading, trade talks, tutorials and all those videos. And if you are liking those videos and if this is helpful, then you have to go hit this subscribe button to be a part of this big family, and also hit that bell icon so that you get notifications whenever I upload a video, so that you don't miss any of the video. And don't forget to hit a like to these type of videos if you're liking such videos, so that if you like such videos, then I will understand I have to do more of such videos, then I will do more of such videos for you guys. And also share this video to all your beginner friends. This is mainly for educational purpose only, just to educate people how to observe the market. It's not a recommendation, or it's not to show people how to make profit. It's about making them understand how a graph moves, how a stock moves, and what are the factors we can look when the stock goes down against us, towards us, and when it is neutral. So different situations of market is what we are trying to predict in this year. So all the examples we are showing out here. So this is just pure learning purpose only, so take it in the right spirit. Thank you so much for watching, so stay tuned. So we are just checking the graph of AMBUJA cements. Okay, so first of all, these are live observation, guys. So many have a misconception thinking that this is for trading. This is not for your trading, this is for learning purpose for all the beginners of how to patiently sit and observe the chart, how it goes up, how it goes down, and what are the situations if we do something, and what will help and what will not help. For those reasons, not for people who think that okay, for this particular trade like this only I have to do, and like this only I have to take the profit. No, this is for observation of all the ways. If the stock goes up, I will show you. If the stock is not moving, if it is neutral, I'll show you. If the stock goes down, I will show you. So everything will be shown in these type of videos. It's not just for showing that the stock will go as per our direction. This is for observation. This is how they have to practice. And if you are an expert, then good for you, but this is basically for beginners, for learning purpose. So we need to make them understand and make them observe the market. Not that every stock will, what you predict will go up, because market is uncertain. Due to a lot of factors, the market will change its direction and the stock will change its direction. So this is for learning purpose, so take it in a right spirit, not like a gambling spirit. So AMBUJA Cements, we had we were discussing in a Telegram group around 237 was the high of this particular stock, and we were observing the stock from then on. The stock went up to 237.90, almost 90 paisa. So 80 paisa is the 0.3%. anyways, it gave up to 90 paisa. Stock had a good movement. If you see, the stock had a 1 hour breakout. This was a 1 hour candle of this particular stock. Later it had a 1 hour breakout. So the stock was in bullish mode. Okay, considering those bullish mode, we looked at the stock with the 1 hour breakout for this particular thing, and therefore the stock broke its 1 hour. That is from 11:15 it started breaking, and it from 37 it went to 37.90. I'll just use Bollinger Bands for now, and simple super trend. Everything is a default setting, nothing has been changed as of now. So one thing I would like to tell you, because most of the people do not understand this trading terms, and when I tell above and below, they think that okay, stock will go above or below. It's a misconception. Stock will not go above or below. Stock will stay in the between also. So it's all about prediction. And when I say above and below, if you are putting above and below, then you have to put a bracket order. Okay, I'm sure if you don't know, try to understand. You have to put a bracket order. When I say above and below, an example in Glenmark, one of the Glenmark video, when I say above super trend, it can go above, and below that line it can break and go down. So you have to put an order. When super trend hits, you have to put a bracket order above it, so that once super trend hits, then it will trigger your bracket order and give you the 0.3% or whatever big percent you're gonna put observation. And or else you have to put a bracket order below the line which I had drawn, the low line, and you have to put below the line, not above the line, below the line. Once the line is broken, it will trigger your sell call and it will go down to 0.3% or more than that. So that was the observation which I told you. So most of them don't understand. They think that, I'm not sure if they are beginners or they are experts. They say that, okay, why do you wanna say both direction? See, stock market is not my friend who will listen to me saying that, okay, Dias, I will go top only today, I will go down only today. It's about prediction. That's what I'm telling you. Nobody in this world can tell you where the stock will go. It's about the current situation analysis. Now if you're asking me how you pick the stock, I can pick any stock right now, open the chart, and from current situation we have to talk. It's not about end of the day. Most of them, what they do end of the day, when the stock ends up for the day, after everything they'll say, oh, if you would have bought here, we would have sold here, so much profit we would have got. From here, if you would have sold, from here you would have got profit. It's not about talking after the market. Lot of people, if you see lot of traders talk post the market, like they analyze post the market. Yes, that they can analyze for future. For positional you can predict. For intraday you cannot predict that. For intraday you have to see current day's chart, the situation the stock is going, and you have to predict then and there how the stock will move. If you can predict then and there how the stock will move, that is when you become successful. To do that, you have to sit and watch the chart. You have to understand. It's not that every time the stock will go and hit the super 10, every time it will go break its own low. You have to analyze which are the situations, and you should know which are the levels it will break, and which level if it breaks it will go up or it will go down. And you have to be ready to be in the both the side direction, right? So that is what we are learning here. So hope all the beginners are getting to understand. We have to observe a lot and understand whether the stock will go up, how much minimum the stock is going, if I put a trade it is safe, where if I put it is not safe. All this we are going to learn. The plus, the minus, and all the advantages, disadvantages is what we have to learn. It's not about just showing you the plus part of the stock, and then when you try, if it is not happening, it is not good. So you have to observe plus, minus, everything of a stock later, so that you can avoid such situations in coming future. So this one is 237. If you see Nifty is negative, it's in the range of 0.20 plus and minus. It is between that gap, so it's a neutral way for now. So now the stock is pushing up, again going towards its high 237.90. It's high AMBUJA cements. Let's see if it can break its own high. So from 237 level we will be getting 238, 1 rupee almost. Just look at the stock info. Week high is 291, not here, and beta is 1.31. Good. So people who would have put 0.3% would have got their target around here only. 8085 only would have got their target, okay, because 80 paisa would be the 0.3% for this particular stock. 3 is 24, so 24 rupees. So example 80 paisa is what we calculated, rough calculation, 0.3%, right? 0.3 is 0.3 into stock price divided by 100. So if you see, small resistance is over here 90, and then we have 95 and 238 with 5062 orders. So a lot of people have put their order in this particular region. Normally what happens is people put their orders in these levels, like 238, 237, 236, 239, you know, in those levels. Most of the time, that's the reason I exit at 9095, 8085, and when I buy above 238.05, 238.10, because this level has to break. This is the most powerful level. Once this break, then it is easy. There are times when the stock touches that level and goes down, then it's difficult for the stock to break that level again. I will just draw and keep this line so that I don't forget later looking into other stocks then. Two 37 is this, okay. Let me just go to 3 minutes chart. This line. See a lot of resistance in this particular area. This is the high, and just waiting for at least 95. Yes, 95 has just come up. A little bit of more pressure for the buyers can push this stock right now to 38, and it has to break out to 38. Has to melt that to 38, 27 orders for now. That's 29 orders, 26. If you see over here orders, so finally 238 has been broken and gone up to 238.05. Let's just go to money control. And just read about this particular stock. So this is the AMBUJA Cements. So if you see, 50% of money control users recommend buying, 50% say sell. So this is the centimeter of this particular stock currently. So it is in 50-50 mode. Okay. The stock went up to 238.15. So AMBUJA had a great move today if you see overall. A single super trend for 3 minutes has taken the stock about till here. That's a really good sign. Anytime it can reverse up to this super trend back down, but currently the momentum is good. From 237.3% is achieved. Currently at 238.10. Anyways, that's more about AMBUJA Cement. So let's end this observation right here, and then Hope you understood the reason. One of the reason was the breakout of 1 hour candle. The stock had a breakout of 1 hour candle over here, so the first hour was broken. Considering that the bullishness of the stock, we consider the breakout of the second candle, and 237 was the highest, so we consider 237.05 for example is where the direction should start, and then it started and finally went up to 238.20, so that's more than 0.3%. so stock has given the minimum amount, so later it depends how if the stock can go further or not. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. Keep observing the stocks, see what are the reasons why the stock goes, and see a stock which has already gone up, go and observe why the stock has gone up. Try to find a similarity or try to find a reason. Try to use indicators and all other stuff. Try to create your own calculations and try to get out the logic. So that will definitely help you on a longer term. Most of them will not understand how this will help now. They may think that they just want to put money and they want to make profit and get out. You will be losing money always you'll be losing money. That is a secret which you'll get to know after a few days. So if you invest your hard earned time right now in stock market, observing the stocks and day by day learning each and everything, even a small thing is a learning. So many people do not believe in that. They don't want to waste time in these small learning things. This is not a small thing. This is the biggest secret which no one will tell you. So start observing the market in different ways, different style. Start using all the indicators and use everything, and see how is the stock movement, and when you had to book the profit, or when did you exit early, and all the things you start writing it down one place. That is called observation. So the more observation you do, tomorrow you can predict the stock chart and you can predict the stock prices. Hope you like this video and the stock is going up. Anyways, you can track the stock. I am ending my video right now. I have a lot of other works to do for the day. So anyways, take care. Please hit that like button to this video and support us, and also hit subscribe and share this video. See you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.